Well guys, today I'm going to show you another video on Netgear N300 router. So mainly I will show how to unpack this Netgear N300 router and how to configure it. So let's see. So to unpack it, just grab the plastic on the top and then take it out. Okay. Well, and then we have to take it out from on the side. Okay. It's like a tray. You just take it out. So with this, mainly you will get a CD, the Netgear, where you will make the setup with the computer.
Nice.
And then you will get a cable where you will connect with the router to the computer, and then you will have an adapter for electric power. Okay, and then there will be the router by itself. So that's Netgear. Okay, and that's it. It's come. You have two antenna, external antenna actually here. Okay, it's like that, and it has a good range actually. It will cover you almost like 1500 square feet around your flat or your apartment. And then on the back, if you can see, there is the electric cord power, where you will put your electric adapter from the socket, and then that's the main power where you will put the cable of the ISP, internet service provider cable connection. You will put here, and then there is 1, 2, 3, 4 another port where you can take 2, 3 computer, or as it is wireless, you can just use it like that. So now I'm going to show you how to configure it. So one more things to configure, you will get a guideline like this. Okay, so that's where they will show how to configure it. It will come with a box, this guideline. So it's mainly, it shows everything with a picture and everything. You can do it easily, and also I'll show you now how to configure. So after you plugging in the power cord on router, and also after you plugging the ISP, I mean internet service provider cable, the cable from the modem to your router, then if you click on your Wi-Fi button, you will see the name of the router will come on your computer. And where you will get this name, usually this name is under the router. There will be a sticker where there will be a password written, and a name of the router will be written. So like for this one, my new router name is Netgear 67, and there is also a password. So after you clicking on this, and it will say connect automatically, it will, when you give the commands to connect, it will give you option to write the password. So from the password written in your router, you write that password over here, and you will see it's connected. I mean, it will give you an option. Okay, like a page will open like this. Okay, so in this page it will show you some message like, now it's a checking the internet connection, please wait, and it's says Netgear Jenny JWNR20. I mean, it will give you some message, and then it will say configuring the internet connection, you are not yet connected to the internet, do you want to Netgear Jenny to help you? So Netgear Jenny is an option that usually help, I mean guide you to connect if you want to do that, or if you know already how to connect it, you can say no, I want to configure the internet connection myself. And there is one more option. I have saved the router setting in a file and I want to restore the router to those setting. That's difficult one on it. So you can either take the help from Jenny, or you can say no, I will connect my internet myself. So you can take either one. So let's say with the Jenny help for saying. So you say next. So it will say detecting the internet connection and these things. This process can take a few minutes. Please wait. So you need to wait until it does give us next message. See now what it says. It says enter the required information below. This is the ISP username and password. Usually this username is given from your internet service provider. It's called PPOE. Okay, or and also the password will be provided by your ISP, internet service provider. So for me, my ISP username is like my name, so I'll put that my username 166 and the password. So whatever password you have, you will put that password. For me, I'm putting my password over here. So this is my password I keep, and now I'll say next. So it maybe take the connection and everything automatically. Apply the internet connection setting, and it will keep showing the message. This process can take a minute or two. Please wait. So we will wait till the next message. Okay, so now what it says. See, it says you successfully connected to the internet, and this is your network. This is my network name, and this is my network password. And you can keep it, save it, and it says print this and take me to the internet. So when you click take me to the internet is already connected.